Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to check if a variable is an array in JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share, comment on my video. So let's get started. So first method, that is called array is array method. Array is array method returns true if the argument passed is an array. You can see this is array. It means it returns true. If it is object, that means it returns false. Let's have a look what it's gonna be printing. Our second one method is that is instance of operator. The instance of operator checks if an object is an instance of a specific class. Since arrays are objects in JavaScript, you can check if a variable is instance of the array class. Okay, so here we can see that this is basically, you can see that this is array, right? So array instance of array, that means it's true. If it is object, you can see that object instance of array, which is not, that means it's gonna be false. Okay, so this is how you are able to check that one. So let's comment and check the outputs of that one. Let me comment this one and check the first one case. Let's go and reload this one. First one is true, then false, right? So first output is true because it's array and this is object, right? The second one, let me comment out this one. Okay, and let me comment this part. Okay, so reload this one and you can see that true and the false. This is true because it's array, and this is object instance of array, which is not correct. So here we have instance of operator checks if an object is an instance of a specific class, right? Since arrays are object in JavaScript, you can check if a variable is instance of the array class. Okay, so array is the instance of array, that is true, but object is not an instance of array, that is called be a false. So this is how you are able to compare or check if a variable is an array and an object. On the behalf of it, you can do the rest of the checks, right? So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. The most important thing is that the array method is most recommended methods in spite of being of instance operator. So I think you should use array method to check whether a variable is an array or an object in JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.